Me have a baby mother, a blood clot Jamaica. She named Ruby. Ruby Johnson. Any blood clot where they know you may attack. You know what she do me? Me and I live in a one little blood clot room at York Street of Franklin Town, Kingston 16. Only baby room, sir. See, but before me and her hook up, she have a youth before me, before me, with another man. So what she do now? Only baby room, when you want to turn, you have to go outside, go turn, and blood clot come back inside. She bring her sister-in-law come, they come live with me and her in a one little room. That means she not in a blood clot with me. See, so she left this girl in the room now and gone to work, so me just big skin pan it. So my kid them now, like one of my daughter now, them all what them have in their heart, but oh, you shouldn't trouble sister Alice. Oh, you mean? Me need pussy, me a young man. In a them time, so what you do? You left food in my house and me no eat food. Me fling fuck pan her straight up with no apology. I want to listen and say this. Who blood clot feel it knows it, and me, Tuffy General feel it.